Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I wanted to do this video because I know a lot of you all are new and you really don't know who I am. So I just wanted to kind of start off the year by introducing myself or reintroducing myself to some, and so you'll know what I and this channel, Neesie Does It, is all about. Alright, so here we go. So first things first, my name is Anissa. Some people call me Neesie. That's where the name of the channel comes from, Neesie Does It. I am 42. Shh, don't tell nobody. And I was born and raised here in Jacksonville, Florida. I am married. My husband and I have been married for 10 years and we have a total of 6 children. Yes, we got 6. So we are a whole Brady Bunch family of 8. Some of the kids are grown, some of them are not, so we don't have all the kids here in the house with us, but still nonetheless the pockets feel the fact that we have 6 kids. All right, so growing up, I was the oldest. I am the first child and first grandchild in my family, so because of that I might have been a little bit spoiled, but either way, I'm the first, I'm the oldest, it's me. But I grew up with my 2 brothers, with my mom and my stepdad, in the suburbs here in Jacksonville. And growing up, all of my teachers used to tell me how creative I was. I remember being younger, and anytime we had school projects or whatever, I came up with all the ideas, skits, all that type of stuff. That's just the type of kid I was. I can even think back now when I was about 12 or 13 or so, I would rearrange my room all the time, or my mom would go for a while and she would come home and the living room would be rearranged or redecorated or whatever. I've just always been that kid. I've always loved decorating and making things look nice. So as an adult, I really started my career, as far as my first real job, was really in property management. I was actually in property management for 20 years. I was in property management for 20 years and I managed apartment communities. It was fun at times, but a lot of the times it was just a lot. Being a property manager, you are always on, period. And even though I did enjoy it for a long time, it just wasn't what I felt I was created to do. So somewhere after year 20, I got up enough guts to say, you know what, I'm gonna go after what I want, which is a career in decorating or just doing what I love to do here on social media. So as far as getting into your decorating, once me and my husband purchased our home, and it was just a lot of projects around here that we took on ourselves, either for just a lack of funds or just really wanting to try some things. We decided to go for it and we did it. Did a lot of projects around the house, ended up sharing some of them on social media, and people loved it, wanted to see more, asked us to come and do things at their own house, and here I am. So it's not just about home interiors, it's also fashion. I just love making things look nice. So just some things about me: I am a music lover, travel lover, and a foodie. If it has anything to do with any of those 3, I'm in. 90s R&B, any type of cuisine, I'm going to try it, and I'm trying to see every corner of the world. So one of my biggest goals in life is to really make this social media interior design thing a thing. Like, I really want to have a sustainable career out of this. I really enjoy doing it. I enjoy showing you all how you can design your home or decorate your home for less. Sometimes, of course, we want to call in professionals, but then sometimes you'll be amazed at what you can do if you just try. So that is why I'm here. That's why I'm here on YouTube and on social media, just to inspire you all to create the home that you want from your own hands. So I do have a lot of big things planned for the channel this year. In addition to a lot of projects that I'm about to tell you about, I also just kind of wanted to share more of me and who I am. So you may be seeing a little bit more of my family this year, maybe a little bit more of my husband, maybe a little bit more of our travels, possibly. But really, for I know the bulk of you that come here for interior decor or DIY stuff, I got a lot. So I am going to be redesigning my office space that I'm in now. I'm going to be redoing the living room, my son's room, the bathroom, the dining room, possibly a guest bedroom if my son moves out. So yeah, we got a lot planned. I have a lot of small projects planned that I think you guys are really going to enjoy. So just make sure you stick around, hang with me for all of 2023 because we got some good stuff coming up. So I know that was really quick and really fast, but I just wanted to introduce myself so you guys can know a little bit more about me, so you'll know what you'll get when you come here to the channel. If any of this sounds interesting to you, then make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will know every time that I am posting a video. And I can't wait to meet you. Box me your questions. I get some of those all the time. Also over on TikTok, and it is Neesie Does It across all platforms. So I look forward to hanging with y'all this upcoming year, and I will see you on the next video.